Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on Area Chart Report item. Before getting into this video, let me give a small introduction about the area chart. The area chart is used to visualize time-dependent data, and shows the trends at equal intervals, but it fills the area. It can be configured with numeric, category, or date-time axis for the graph. In this video, we will see how to add an area chart to an RDL report and how to change its properties. First, let's create a new report. Create a new report, and name it Area Chart. You can learn how to create your first report from the link provided in this video's description. Then, create a dataset to assign data to the chart. Create a new data source, name it Efficiency Details using JSON Data Connector. And click the Connect button. The Query Designer page will open. Name it Efficiency Dataset. And click the Finish button. A dataset is created. I have also provided the video link for creating a data source and dataset using JSON Data Connector, and the documentation link for the JSON query in this video's description. Now, let's add the area chart to the report. Drag and drop the area chart from the item panel to the designer's surface. You can also add the area chart by right-clicking the design area, and then clicking Insert from the context menu. The list of report items that can be added will be displayed. You can add the area chart by selecting the chart, and then the area. You will also see the properties displayed. Since we can assign any value from the database to the area chart, the Data tab is enabled. The Name field represents the name of the chart. The properties are divided into 13 categories based on its usage. You can change the size of the chart by extending the corners, and also by dragging the points at the center. I resize the chart according to my requirement. Now let's assign data to the area chart. To assign data, click Data on the Properties panel. The Data panel will open. In the Data panel, you will see fields in the dataset displayed. If you have multiple datasets, you can select the dataset you require by using the Dataset dropdown. The numeric columns and numeric expressions are listed in the Measures section. And the remaining types of expressions and dimensions are listed in the Dimensions section. Drag the percentage field from the Measures section to the Y-value section. By default, the sum aggregate function will be applied to the expression. You can change the aggregate function by clicking the Settings button. The context menu will be displayed. Click the aggregate option, and the list of aggregate methods will be displayed. You can also change the aggregate function using the expression option. Select the expression option to display the dialog. Click the Preview button. You will see the area chart with the sum of the percentage values. Click the Design button. Then, I drag and drop the Year field from the Measures section to the Column section. On Preview, the efficiency percentage value is measured against each year. You can group the fields by adding the fields in the Rows section. I drag the Country field from the Dimensions section to the Rows section. While assigning each field, the chart will be refreshed in the design area. On Preview, you will see the year grouped based on the Country field and measured against the sum of the percentage. Now let's format the area chart. To format the chart, click Properties. The property panel will be displayed. Under the Appearance category, I changed the border style to double. Border color to black. Thickness of the border to 1.833. Under the Chart Area category, I enable the Show Border property. The border property is displayed. I changed the border color to black. And the border thickness to 2. And select the Chart Palette property Pacific. Under the Title category, I enter Efficiency of Oil-Fired Power Production. The title changes accordingly. Under the Node Data category, I enter Node Data to display. Under the Category Axis category, I enter Year. You can customize the font in the Axis Title property. Click the icon next to the Axis Title property. And select Advanced. In the Advanced property, I change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. Under the Value Axis category, I enter the Axis Title value as Efficiency. And change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. For this demo, under the Page Break category, I enable the Page Number Reset property. Under the Miscellaneous category, I set the tooltip value to Efficiency of Oil-Fired Power Production chart. Click the Preview button. You will see the area chart. When hovering over the chart, you will see the text entered in the tooltip property displayed. In this video, I showed you how to add an area chart to the Report Designer control, and how it is rendered in the Report Viewer control while previewing it. We have also planned another video that explains the properties of the chart report item. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.